There's now a shortcut to adjusting music volume in your reel, meaning you can turn up that camera audio and turn down that music audio. I'm going to show you how in this video. Hi, I'm Ida, a corpus storyteller and online educator based in Vancouver, Canada. Are you an entrepreneur ready to take your business to the next level, but when it comes to Reels, you don't know how you can use them to grow your business? Well, I've created the Reels Blueprint, which is going to guide you through the gear and the strategy behind using Reels to grow your business. Download my free Reels Blueprint now. I love that this feature exists because finally we have not been able to edit audio. It doesn't allow you to add multiple music tracks yet, but it's a start. So to do this, let's create an Instagram reel. There you go. So I added parts of a reel. I'm going to add music to it. Let's just pick this first one. Okay, good. Now I'm going to go to edit. Now all I have to do is click on the music, and now you can see the indicator bars on both ends. So I can get rid of it at the beginning, get rid of it at the end, shorten it wherever I want it, and it's only going to have music for that particular portion of the video. So this is really good if, for example, I am talking at the beginning, but you can't hear my audio, right? You can only hear the music. First, you're going to have to adjust the volume. So you go click off, so you're not selected on anything, click volume, and it has the music fully turned on. You just want to turn up the camera audio as well. There we go. And you can see, add a video. And it has the camera volume and it has me. Thing is, it's going to play the music and whatever you have in your video clip on top of it. So it's going to be kind of distracting. So you can see here, add a video. But you can adjust it so that when you film your video, you know which parts is going to have the music and which parts not. And this is incredible because we have not been able to adjust the audio, and we can't add more than one clip of music, and you can only add music for certain parts. There is another way that you could add talking into it, and that's with text. So say, for example, I had this playing at the beginning, and then I want to have text and I want it to speak at the end of it. So I would just go to where I want it to speak, add text. This is why I made. There you go. So I'm going to add the text to where I want it. I'm going to click done. I'm going to click on the text so I make sure it's yellow. Press text to speech. And now I just have to choose which voice is going to say it. Done. Let's have the double. And now I can play it. So if I see this, so you can hear all of them. So what I can do is I can even go in and adjust the volume. So say I don't want me talking, I can get rid of the camera audio and just have the music.
I made this reel.
To make sure that the text starts right where the audio ends, you just look for that yellow indicator and you want them to line up.
This is why I made this reel.
I love these new voices. So there you go. That's how you can now finally adjust the music in your Instagram Reels. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, or better yet, subscribe. If you want to dive deeper, I have an amazing freebie that's going to transform your business. So download that now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time, peace.